What's up, LNC Fam? Welcome back to another video. I came across this beautiful Mercedes S550 that caught my attention. Very nice car. It's located here locally, not too far away from me. So let's take a look and see exactly what we got. Black on black, right side damage. This side looks perfect. Looks like some damage over here. Airbags deployed. Yeah, very nice car. I like it. 43,000 miles. I like that it has TVs and reclined seats. Interior is a little dirty. Here's some of the parts from the vehicle. The only thing we're missing on the picture is it looks like headlights are missing. But insurance company is the seller. Auction is on Wednesday, so let's go and look at it. Very nice car. I like it a lot, especially the back seats and the screens. I could already see my kids in the back watching cartoons. So yeah, I want to go look at it in person. Hopefully they installed the doors back, or at least put the plastic over it so the water doesn't get inside, because if the water got inside, we're in big trouble. And it's been raining like crazy.
Of heavy rain is headed to California right now, potentially making a deadly situation there even worse.
Some residents are stranded as communities are inundated with water and mud.
As you guys could see, we have a pretty serious storm here in California, and last thing I need is a flooded Mercedes. Maybe it's already all the way to the roof. Imagine, flooded, accident, damaged vehicle. Oh boy, that would be some big trouble. So let's head down to the auction together. We'll look at the vehicle and then we could bid with confidence, knowing exactly where we're bidding. The worst possible time to go to the auction in this kind of weather. I have to make a little pit stop by Walmart. I buy some weather boots so I could walk around and my feet don't get wet, because there's gonna be a lot of mud. Yeah, I hate going, but I have no choice. I do not want to buy a flooded car. Man, crazy rain, huh? So I'm gonna get a yellow vest. I'm gonna get some boots and then we'll head out. And your swag. Oh, that's wrong. Come on, where the keys at? Oh man, crazy rain. I'm on my way to North Hollywood IA auction. I actually sold my daily driver, my S-Class, the white one, and I'm having withdrawals. I want another one. I wanted to buy the new one, but right now there's nothing coming up currently. I came across this one. It's here locally in North Hollywood, 2017 S550 presidential style seats in the back. So this one is fully loaded, and I want to go look at it. Looks kind of pretty bad. Everything's removed from the car, and my main concern is if the water didn't get inside of the car, because they removed the doors front and rear. So I hope the auction put like a special wrap over it so water doesn't get in, because if the water gets in there, we're in big trouble. As you guys could see, we have a lot of rain, so we'll check it out, make sure we're 100% satisfied with the purchase, because I do not want to repeat what I just did with Tesla. So yeah, that's the little story I got. My S-Class is officially sold, and I missed that car. I think that was the best car I ever had, and I want another one. And the customer was very happy for the purchase, so I want to make another customer happy too. So we'll buy this one, we'll enjoy it for a little bit. I still got some wheels left from the other one, so gotta put them to use and get a nice car. So for now, I guess enjoy the ride, and I'll see you guys at the auction. just arrived. We're a couple minutes away. Man, a lot of water. All right, we're all set. Got the boots, got the umbrella just in case. Let's go look at some cool cars. And this is why boots are very important here. There's this S-Class, I was looking at it. See, I hope they did this. This is very, very nice. Okay, but that's not the car we're looking for. The next row is out. This one's not too bad, but too many miles. Undercarriage damage. And here's the car. So let's see, we got the front bumper. Where are the headlights? Okay, this is very good that they covered the doors. Very nice inside. I don't know why this is broken. What were they trying to do? But everything else looking good. Some bolts right here. Airbags deployed. The seat deployed. Yeah, seat deployed. Rear deployed. More bolts like that. Is there a way to get a jumper to open the trunk?
A jumper?
Yeah. No, just to so we have power to open the trunk. I want to see if the headlights.
We cannot even start the car.
Well, I don't want it to start. I just want to open the trunk.
Yeah, no.
You know, oil leaks. Everything looks good up here, but overall pretty good. Nothing on this side. We're missing a fender. Doors here was okay. This is all fine. Good tires. Just finished looking at the car. Car looks pretty good. I like it. A lot of things changed. You can't walk around anymore by yourself. You have to walk around with the person, with the security guy, which is kind of stupid, but it is what it is. But other than that, the car looks great. The only thing is missing headlights. Somebody stole the headlights. Somebody had some good old sticky fingers, but that's the only thing we're missing, just the headlights. Auction starts tomorrow, so if everything goes well, hopefully we'll buy it because the damage is pretty good. 3 airbags deployed, new doors, new fender, so everything adds up. And I think the rocker pillar is damaged as well, so definitely gonna require some work, so that's why I don't want to go too much on it. If we get lucky, we get lucky. It sucks I had to drive this far, but it is what it is. Better be safe than sorry. But check out the weather. It's nice and sunny now, like nothing happened. What a bipolar weather. Raining like crazy and then nice and sunny. but those boots definitely saved my life. Okay, cool. I'll see you guys back at the shop, and live auction starts tomorrow. It's the next day, and today's auction day, so hopefully we'll buy the Mercedes. Auction starts any minute, and we're not gonna go too crazy. My max bid gonna be 25,000 because I did some research. They're worth about 45-50 max, plus miles are kind of up there, 43,000. Has some minor oil leaks as well, so yeah, not gonna go too crazy. And plus I had my little portable charger. I couldn't record because I did it super quick. I was able to open the trunk, and in the trunk there was no headlights. So somebody had some sticky fingers and took the headlights. And even on this picture the auction posted, they posted everything except the headlights. So somebody took them. They're probably on eBay right now for sale. So that's a big hit right away. 2,500 bucks for a set of used one. I think they're like about 1,200 bucks each. So that sucks. So 25, my max bid. Live auction starts right now. Wish me luck.
So,
Man, no mazal on this one. Oh well, my finger wouldn't let me click anymore. So I went $1,000 above my budget, and I guess the other person really wanted it. It's okay, they could have it. They paid top dollar for the vehicle. For me, it doesn't make any sense because we try to make a couple bucks, and it's a lot of work just to make a couple bucks. Now let's talk about the numbers. So let's say if I continue bidding and next bid I would win the car, that would bring me to 26,500 plus their fees. That brings us to 28,669 just for the vehicle. And then let's just say we put the car completely together to original spec. Headlights are missing, so I found everything used on eBay. So right side headlight complete with all the computers, that's gonna be 1,150. Left side for some reason a little more, it's gonna be 1,280. And then I found front, rear, and fender used, same color as the car, supposedly in perfect condition where we don't have to even paint it, hopefully. So front door cost $1,329. Same with the rear door, same price. Fender comes out with shipping, $599. Roof curtain airbag comes out to $539. Rear seat airbag comes out to $84. Front seat airbag comes out to $180. Plus you got to remove the front seat belts and rebuild them. They're gonna cost about $300. Then front seat, since the airbag deployed, it ripped the seat, so you have to reupholster the seat. So that's gonna be another $250. So that brings us to $7,040 just in parts. So with all the parts, everything comes out to $35,709. And then labor gonna be at least another $5,000. So there you add. To have that car looking all original spec, you're gonna be at $40,709.98. And then if I would have bought this car, obviously since the headlights are missing, I would do a facelift. So if we go the aftermarket and we get the aftermarket headlights cost $2,166. Then obviously you have to change the front bumper. Front bumper costs $1,580. And then since it's a sport package already AMG, rear bumper is the same, so we don't have to change the bumper. I would just change the lower diffuser. Lower diffuser costs $950. So that brings us right away to the grand total 42,975. There you go. That's a lot of money for a salvage car. Pretty much you're paying almost Blue Book. The only difference, $5,000-6,000. Unless you're keeping it for yourself and you're doing all the work, then maybe it makes sense. But for me, it just doesn't make any sense. Still, you gotta do a lot of work. Pillar got pushed in, rocker got damaged, so you gotta put the car on a frame machine, and then you gotta remove the seat belts. You gotta pretty much take half the interior apart. You gotta drop the headliner to change the curtain airbag. So lots of work, definitely not an easy money project. So luckily we skipped on this one and we continue looking for something else. There you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this price breakdown video, and drop a comment. Would love to hear your feedback. In the next video I'll pick a random comment and you guys get to win $100. I'll Venmo or Zelle you, so easy peasy. Drop a comment and you might be the lucky winner. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!